It's car today. It's Emily. The doorbell was making a very strange sound. Just listen to it. A very strange noise. I'm making a brr sound. Sounds like a motor. Might be the snake motor. But I don't know what's wrong. Just look at it. It's like a brum. Let's make myself sound like a car. Sounds like a car now. Like the McQueen car on the doorbell. Oh yeah. Listen. So go to the doorbell. Go. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. Try again, run. Brum. Me have a turn. Lightning McQueen. What? You brought those stones off. I'm so sorry. Ready, Lightning McQueen? Let's go and do this. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. It is Lightning McQueen and Emily doing the broom dance. Make it do MLG noises. And now let's make it do Among Us music. Now let's make it do the Among Us full track. Oh yeah! Let's make it do the Lightning McQueen show intro. The Lightning McQueen show. Let's make it do the amazing guy. Do. Oh yeah. Do. The doorbell makes a ringing sound, and it sounds like a car going crazy. And it's also so good because we can make music. Oh yes! Now this is the brilliant of MLG. Whoa! He stopped! He has finally stopped! Yay! He's back to normal! That was a lot of fun.
Are you scared, little goblin?
Oh yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe from the Lightning McQueen and the Amazing Car Show. Goodbye!